This is iPhone 15 Plus, and today I will show how you can set Opera as your default browser app on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then scroll them down and, reach the Apps section, the list of all installed applications. Then open whatever browser app you want. It doesn't necessarily have to be Google Chrome. It can be like Safari, Opera, or any other browser that you have. For instance, I'll open the Edge page, then select the default browser app field, and then here just tap at the Opera. Or, I actually kind of forgot which browser I was supposed to tell you how to set as your, main one. But I mean, it doesn't matter, Chrome or Opera. But let's pretend this video is about the Opera browser. So yeah, that's how you do that. Anyway, that will be it for this video. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.